Introducing the future of outdoor lighting, the RF RGB CW bulbs. Experience unprecedented control with the ability to group your fixtures into zones. Say goodbye to the guesswork of finding the perfect color temperature for your home. With RGB CW bulbs, you have all the options available to transform the ambiance of your outdoor space, suiting any mood or occasion. Unleash your creativity and set the mood with endless color possibilities. Our RGB CW bulbs are compatible with a variety of landscape lighting fixtures. No complicated setup required. Simply insert the bulb and use the remote to select which group you want the fixtures in. Built to withstand the elements, our bulbs are weatherproof and durable. Transform your outdoor living space and make every moment unforgettable with RGB CW bulbs. Illuminate your world your way. Visit our website or contact us today to take your landscape lighting to the next level.